How many is the total of the acknowledgement receipts?
Based on the acknowledgement receipts po, ang lumalabas na expenses ay 125,150,000.
125 million,
150,000.
150,000. For what period is this, Mr. Witness?
Based on the documents po na submitted to us, December 21 to 31, 2022. Pero katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, some of the dates po dun sa acknowledgement receipts ay naka-dated December 2023.
Sinabi mo na ang total is 125,150,000. Magkano ba ang binigay na confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted to ICFAO, 125 million pesos po.
May discrepancy. Hindi tugma. 150.
Doon sa kanilang submission sa ICFAO.
Flashed on the screen, Your Honors, Mr. Presiding Officer, with your permission, is this AOM referred to by this witness. Mr. Witness, can you walk us? Pakisabi sa atin lahat dito, ano ang mga na-observe mo dito sa AOM na sinubmit?
Witness may refer to the document and may be assisted by assisting counsels for both parties.
Based on the evaluation po ng documents, doon sa kanilang, katulad nga po nung sinabi ko kanina, doon sa katulad nung nasa first hearing po namin, since wala pa rin silang isinamit na documentary evidence of payments. So nireiterate po namin dito sa aming second AOM yung kanilang non-submission of the documentary evidence of payments. Tapos katulad din po nung sinabi ko kanina, since doon sa kanilang revised accomplishment report ay merong items for the provision of medical and food aid for 40 million pesos at payment of incentives or traveling expenses relative to the confidential operations of the OBP na 10 million pesos na hindi allowable expenses based on the item 4.8 of the Joint Circular 2015-01. And also, doon sa kanilang revised accomplishment report, meron po silang item for the payment of rewards pero wala silang isinamit na any document evidencing the success of the information gathering or surveillance activities pursuant to the information given by the informer. And also, nakasama din po sa aming findings yung kanilang hindi sinabmit na special budget request at hindi rin po nila isinabmit yung proof of submission nila nung kanilang revised accomplishment report to the Office of the President, the Senate President, and the Speaker of the House. And lastly po, dun sa disbursement voucher kasi, ang nag-approve po nun ay si Assistant Secretary Limuel G. Ortonio, which is not compliant with the joint circular dahil according to the joint circular, it shall be the responsibility of the head of the agency to approve the cash advances.
Okay. So na-mention mo dito yung 40 million na ginastos ng Office of the Vice President para sa gamot, medicines.
Yes, ma'am.
Walang supporting document. Mr. Witness?
As of this time po, wala po silang binigay na supporting document.
Ito ring 10 million na ginamit bilang liquidation sa travel expenses ng Office of the Vice President para sa confidential fund. Ano-anong mga dokumento ang sinabmit para dito?
Pwede pong paulit po ng tanong, ma'am.
10 million ang sinabi mong travel funds na ginamit ng Office of the Vice President galing sa kanyang confidential funds. Meron bang sinabmit na dokumento ang Vice President para i-liquidate itong 10 million na travel funds niya?
Wala po silang sinabmit na document supporting that disbursement po.
Itong mga payment of rewards, magkanong payment of rewards?
Ang
Ulit?
kanilang Payment of rewards po ay 10 million pesos based on the submitted revised accomplishment report.
Okay. Itong 10 million na ginastos o binayad ng Office of the Vice President sa mga nagbigay ng information ba to?
Payment of rewards for the
Rewards.
Yes, sir.
Meron bang mga dokumentong sinubmit ang Presidente, Vice Office of the Vice President para i-liquidate itong paggamit ng confidential funds niya sa rewards?
wala pong silang sinubmit na document po in support of the payment of rewards as of this time.
Ngayon,
This po, as of the date nung AOM po.
after issuing, sabi mo may audit observation memorandum na previously marked for reference as Exhibit P-1-12-B na common exhibit with the respondent. Pagkatapos na issue itong AOM, anong nangyari afterwards, if any?
After po namin after ma-serve ng ICFO yung both AOMs po, nagbigay si Office of the Vice President ng kanilang response.
And if I show you a copy of this response of the Office of the Vice President, will you be able to identify the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, please again, this is a stipulated document. This is,
Assisting counsel of both parties may approach the witness to guide him as to the document being identified.
this is Exhibit P-1-12-C for the petitioner. Prosecution. Ito bang response ng Office of the Vice President? Ina-evaluate mo din?
Yes, ma'am.
At anong findings mo, if any?
Actually po, before ko na-evaluate itong response na ito, nag-submit pa sila ng additional response sa amin. At sabay po namin in-evaluate yung kanilang both responses.
So, dalawang response.
Yes, ma'am.
At ano ang findings mo sa dalawang response na to?
Sa response po kasi nila, they attached the documentary evidence of payments. So nagkaroon po kami ng finding about the various payment of rewards made based on the submitted documentary evidence of payments na naka-attach dun sa response nila in the form of acknowledgement receipts. So based on the acknowledgement receipts na sinamit po, nagkaroon sila ng payment of rewards in cash, in medicine, and in various goods. At lahat po nung kanilang payment of rewards ay walang naka-attach na any document supporting the success of the information gathering activity or surveillance activity on account of the information given by the informer. And also po, nagkaroon din sila ng various purchases based on the documentary evidence of payments. Meron po silang yung kanilang binili na medicines and various goods which were given as rewards. Yung kanilang binili na supplies, yung binili nila na tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers. Pero yung supporting document lang po nun ay acknowledgement receipt instead of official receipts or sales invoices. And also, with respect to the payment po ng tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers, hindi po nila in-indicate if those purchases were really intended for the confidential operations of the OVP.
Sa joint circular na sinabi mong guidelines para sa liquidation report ng Office of the Vice President, bakit sinasabi mo na walang supporting documents itong tables and chairs na binili, itong desktop, itong medicines, itong supplies? Ano ang kailangan mo na supporting document?
Actually, since it was ang involved po ay purchases, then those purchases should have been supported with sales invoices and official receipts instead of the acknowledgement receipts lang po.
In other words, Mr. Witness, itong acknowledgement receipt, walang kasamang mga resibo.
Yes, ma'am. Wala po silang inattached na resibo.
Hindi ba confidential yan kung saan drugstore ka bumili ng medicine?
Um, hindi na hindi naman po siguro confidential pag kung ang pagbibilhan mo ay mga drugstore. Kasi ang confidential po mismo ay yung paggagamitan, hindi yung pagbibilhan. Magkaibang bagay po kasi yun.
Yung mga grocery na binilhan ng mga sari-saring groceries at supplies, hindi ba confidential dapat ang mga pangalan ng grocery na yan?
Hindi naman po kailangan maging confidential yung pangalan ng mga groceries. It's katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, ang confidential ay yung paggagamitan, hindi yung pagbibilhan. At magkaibang bagay po kasi yun.
Yung hardware stores na pinagbilhan ng mga tables and chairs tsaka desktop, hindi ba confidential yung mga pangalan ng mga hardware stores na yan?
Hindi rin po necessarily na confidential yung pangalan ng hardwares dahil yun nga po, hindi naman confidential yung pinagbilan kundi yung paggagamitan ng kanilang pondo.
Your Honor.
At this juncture, Your Honor, may we
With the permission of
manifest?
counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Yes, what is the pleasure of
Your
the
Honor,
counsel
may
for this one?
we move to strike out the responses of the witness to those questions as he's not competent and qualified to answer, especially since he is not pointing to any provision of the JC as to his opinion on whether confidential o hindi ang mga pangalan ng mga drug stores, ang mga pangalan ng mga sari-sari stores, Your Honors. I think that is beyond his competence, Your Honor, as an auditor.
If I may respond.
Unless, Your Honor, he can point to a specific provision in the joint circular.
Your Honor,
Counsel
please.
for the panel for prosecutors, Attorney Gapunan may respond before the
Your
chair
Honor,
makes a ruling.
please, Your Honor. First of all, they're asked and answered. Counsel should have timely objected when being asked. 3 times he was asked. Secondly, Your Honor, I don't think it is accurate to say that this has no basis because earlier, pinaghirapan po namin pakita yung mga particular provisions ng Joint Circular 2015 para i-point out ano-ano ang mga pwedeng gamitan ng confidential funds at ano-ano ang pwedeng paggamit or bawal na paggamit ng confidential funds. And this witness, Your Honor, based on the circular, did say that whatever activity that is must be related to the physical and financial plans submitted by the Office of the Vice President and or the DepEd. For instance, tables and chairs, what particular surveillance activity or operation or terrorist surveillance are tables and chairs and desktops and medicines and supplies related to? The payment of rewards, Your Honor. Again, this witness cited the particular provision of the joint circular that says the payment of reward should not stop there. It should point, Your Honor, according to the joint circular, it should point to particular documents that would show or point to that activity by which the rewards were deserved, Your Honor. So
Chair
it's
will make
very
a
clear
ruling.
in the circular, Your Honor.
Chair will make a ruling. Asked and answered is correctly pointed out by counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Aside from that, the witness is competent to testify as to how he evaluated the submissions and the response letters given by the Office of the Vice President in relation to the AOMC issued that were all based on JMC number 15-01.
Your Honor,
yes,
I will
counsel
not
for-
be asking for reconsideration and I will submit to the ruling of the court. I just want to make it of record that when we say asked and answered, Your Honors, I gave leeway to the opposing counsel to ask the question basically because I did not think the question was objectionable, but it is the answer that I'm asking to be stricken out based on the competence of the witness because there is no provision under the JC that says ano yung sari-sari store ay hindi confidential. But again, Your Honor, I just wanted to put that on the record, but I will abide by the ruling of the Honorable Presiding
Duly
Officer,
noted,
Your Honor.
counsel for the respondent, and you may note a continuing objection should the counsel for the panel of prosecutors continue with this
Thank you,
line of
Honor.
questioning. Attorney
Thank you,
Kapunan,
Your
you may
Honor.
proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this juncture, Your Honor, may we manifest for the record that in accordance with our request for stipulation, we had presented for stipulation to counsel for the respondent 845 acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor, that would show recipients of the various amounts mentioned in relation to disbursement of confidential funds, their names, what they were spent for, and the dates of receipts, Your Honor. Sadly, counsel for the respondent has refused, despite this being common exhibits for the prosecution and defense, Your Honor. Counsel has refused to stipulate. May I repeat that now? We are not stipulating as to the contents, which will be properly identified in part, because we will not present all 845, Your Honor, documents. But may we know from counsel if
What
he
does
will
counsel for respondent say?
attest to its existence, and that these were documents they themselves, Your Honor, submitted to the COA ICFAO by way of their liquidation. These are their very own documents by way of liquidation to the confidential funds, which were allotted and spent by the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd. But for the meantime, for the Office of the Vice President, Your Honor, these
Attorney po?
very same documents are what they submitted to the COA ICFAO, Your Honor.
Attorney po?
Your Honor, I beg the indulgence of the Honorable Court as well as the distinguished opposing counsel, but we really cannot stipulate on these matters precisely because the insinuation that this was the very documents that the OVP and DepEd submitted to COA is very much in question, Your Honors, because we can easily raise the issue on chain of custody. I'm not saying we will, but that is always on the table. And precisely, Your Honors, although they are labeled as common exhibits, we marked them separately, Your Honor. We did not have markings on the same documents, Your Honor. And that is our position. But again, I beg the indulgence and the patience, Your Honor, of the distinguished opposing counsel and the Honorable Court.
Can I just,
Counsel,
my last manifestation, Your Honor, anent this acknowledgement receipts, Your Honor. You will note from the acknowledgement receipts that these are certified true copies. Certified true copies of receipts submitted to the COA ICFAO, Your Honor. They're not documents from the prosecution. They are documents which this witness, by way of subpoena, duces tecum, and testificandum, produced before this court, Your Honor. So the provenance, the source of these documents, and there is a certification issued by his office, show that there should be no doubt as to where these documents came from. As to their existence, Your Honor, there should be no doubt.
May the presiding officer ask, are we talking about the same number of documents to begin with? 847, correct, counsel?
845, Your Honor.
45? Counsel for the respondent?
I'm confirming now, Your Honor.
Are the common exhibits for both prosecution and respondent 845 documents?
Your Honor, the problem here is during the marking, there were inconsistencies with the number of ARs that were presented between each party, Your Honor. And that is why we cannot stipulate on the same. Now, as to the question on whether we have the same number for the fourth quarter, we are still verifying, Your Honor, but I'm afraid I will waste the court's time now if we verify further.
Anyway, counsel, Attorney Kapunan, unfortunately, if they are not willing to stipulate, the court cannot twist their hand into so stipulating for whatever reason they may have. So kindly proceed as you intended to.
We submit, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Witness. Nung nag-evaluate ka ng post-audit evaluation ng documents, liquidation documents submitted to you, your office by the Office of the Vice President, were there was there evidence or documents submitted to your office to show how payments were made?
Ang tanging sinamit lang po nila in support of their payments po ay yung documentary evidence payments in the form of acknowledgement receipts.
Okay. And will you please tell this court, this impeachment court, if you, in the course of your post-audit, carefully evaluated acknowledgement receipts?
Ang ginawa ko po upon receipt of those acknowledgement receipts, tinabulate ko po lahat ng acknowledgement receipts na yon based on their purpose, based on their, kung kailan po yung dates of payment, and then based on the amount po na binayaran nila as provided po doon sa acknowledgement receipts.
You mentioned, Mr. Witness, that you prepared your own tabulation,
Yes, ma'am.
and did you bring them with you, this tabulation?
I brought it po with me.
Can you share them with us?
Your Honor, may I be allowed po to share the tabulation.
Witness may may refer to his notes with respect to the tabulation, yes.
Your Honor, please, I think defense counsel will note that this is not a pre-marked document during the pretrial, but we had made a reservation that we will
Assisting-
be marking documents in the course of our this witness testimony.
Assisting counsel for the parties may approach the witness and view the document being referred to by the witness.
While counsel for the respondents are perusing the document, Your Honor, may we have this marked as Exhibit P-I-29?
Later on, you may do so. The clerk of court is so instructed to make the corresponding marking after in due course, rather. Witness may answer the question.
Can you repeat the question po?
Okay, Mr. Witness, you said earlier in answer to my question that you received acknowledgement receipts and that you made a tabulation. Kung ano-ano itong mga acknowledgement receipts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We don't have a copy now and we reserve the right to provide counsel for the respondent a copy, but can you share with us your findings based on your notes or your tabulation?
Based on my tabulation po, napansin ko na some of the payments were dated December 2023, which is beyond the scope po nung covered ng kanilang cash advances. And yun nga po, katulad nung nasabi ko kanina, may mga payment of rewards po sila, either in cash, in medicines, and in various goods. Pero wala na po silang sinamit na any document na support or evidence, document evidencing the success of the information gathering activity on account of the information given by the informer. And also,
How did you prepare your tabulation?
noong time po na binigay sa akin yung acknowledgement receipts, doon ko po tinabulate yung payments based doon nga po sa purpose po ng payment,
Okay.
doon sa date po ng payment and the amount po na binayaran doon sa recipients.
Will your tabulation show, and can you share with us if it does, ano ang sinabi mong mga purposes na naka-indicate?
Yes po, nakalagay po sa tabulation ko yung purpose.
Can you read from your notes, please? On page 1.
Your Honor, just to manifest for the record while
Counsel for
he's
respondent.
perusing his notes that when I inspected the document, it seems to be a privately encoded document, a printout without any signature of who prepared it.
Do you
Just a
confirm-
manifestation, Your Honor, just to put that
Do you
on record.
confirm, Mr. Witness?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Since it is a personal notes po, so hindi ko na po pinirmahan yung
Duly
tabulation.
noted.
How many pages is your tabulation?
19 pages po.
Okay. Your Honor, please, this P-29, P-1-29, which is a tabulation consisting of 19 pages, we will request that they, at the appropriate time, be submarked as P-29-A up to end series, Your Honor. Now,
So ordered.
can you read from your tabulation? What is in page 1? How many names are there? Total, if you recall. And based on your tabulation.
Can you repeat your question po?
Based sa tabulation na ginawa mo, na sinabi mo na summary ng mga acknowledgement receipts, how many is the total of the acknowledgement receipts?
Based on the acknowledgement receipts po, ang lumalabas na expenses ay 125,150,000.
125 million
150,000.
150,000. For what period is this, Mr. Witness?
Based on the documents po na submitted to us, December 21 to 31, 2022. Pero katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, some of the dates po dun sa acknowledgement receipts ay naka-dated December 2023.
Okay. Sinabi mo na ang total is 125,150,000. Magkano ba ang binigay na confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted to ICPAO, 125 million pesos po.
May discrepancy. Hindi tugma, 150,000 na butal.
Based on the documents po, yes, may discrepancy po yung acknowledgement receipts and the accomplishment report.
Okay. Thank you for your pointing that out. Ano pa ang dapat malaman namin sa tabulation mo?
Yung meron po silang, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, meron silang purchases na ginawa. Pero yun nga po, supported lang po ng acknowledgement receipts instead of sales invoices or official receipts.
Do you have an amount, Mr. Witness?
May I approach, Your Honor?
Counsel, may do so.
I think nasa notice of suspension po yung amount. May I be allowed po to refer to the notice of suspension?
Okay. At
This
the,
is a stipulated document, right, Counsel?
yes, Your Honor, the notice of suspension is.
The
We will
notice of suspension.
we will ask again the question in due course.
Kindly ask the question again, Counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Witness is asking for permission to refer to the notice of suspension to answer your question. Assistant counsels may approach.
Based on this notice of suspension, actually wala pong total pero nandito po yung breakdown ng amounts per type of purchase po.
Okay. Can we go through the breakdown of amounts?
Opo. As to
Based on
the,
your notice of suspension, which is a common exhibit of
As
the
to the-
prosecution and the defense.
as to the ano po, various goods which were given as rewards, 34,857,000. As to the medicines which were given as rewards,
34 million for rewards.
as to the medicines po which were given as rewards, 24,930,000. As to the purchase supplies, 11,813,000 pesos. As to the tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. And as to desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos.
What else, Mr. Witness?
Hindi pa rin po nila pala sinubmit yung proof of submission noong revised accomplishment report to the Office of the President, the Senate President, and the Speaker of the House.
Ngayon. If we show you a select few of these acknowledgement receipts. Would you be able to identify them?
Yes, ma'am.